You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this medical term, a condition of the retina or retina in the eye. If you want to learn more medical terms, vocabulary in English that is confusing, stay tuned. I've got tons more videos for you that are going to be fascinating. Retinopathy, that's your British English pronunciation here. No, stress on that no syllable, the no, the third syllable, per the, a th sound. Retinopathy. Now in American English it's usually pronounced similarly with a flap T that sounds like a D, retinopathy or retinopathy. How to pronounce English pronunciation, retinopathy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.